Hi again, crafters, it's Cynthia. I am back again with another video, and this time around I am going to actually assemble this cute little bird. And this is a cut file from Miss Kate Cuttables, and it's called Winter Bird, and it's extremely cute, and I've been looking forward to making this little guy. So I should mention that I went ahead and cut him at, let me see, I can't think what I did. I think it was 250%. I'm pretty sure that was how much bigger I made it, because I wanted a bigger cut file because they're easier to assemble on screen for you, and then also just for the project that I'm going to use him with, I think that size works well. So let's just go ahead and get started. I am just going to be using the usual supplies, my Tombow Mono Aqua, and I might use a dot or two of my Tombow Mono Multi Glue too. It depends on what I decide. And then of course I'm going to use my little tweezers for handling some of the pieces. But anyway, I am going to go ahead and stop talking and turn the music up and get started, and I'll come back and talk to you when we're done. Okay, so I've got the branch assembled here, and I've got the bird assembled here. And let's see here, I'm just going to go ahead. Once this is all put down onto the front of my project, the little birdie is going to be standing on the branch like so. So it'll be very sweet. And then we're just going to go ahead and attach his lovely scarf. So I'm just going to let that curve against the edge of that wing and go under his little face like that. So let me get that going. I just think this bird is so precious. And you could, like I said, make him different sizes and have things a little less elaborate if you'd like. So if you want to just, like, maybe on the front of a card, you could just stamp a branch if you have a little branch stamp, or even just sketch a little branch. That shouldn't be too hard. And then you can have your little bird sitting on that, or whatever you would like. Go. And then of course his little hat, which is going to cover up his feathers on his head, but that's okay. So I'm not going to get too crazy with the glue for once. I'll try not to. And the little hat about right there. And of course, when you're making your own bird and your own cut file assemblies, you can leave more time for the glue to set up and dry between stages if you want to. So that's one thing about assembling them quickly for the videos, is that I don't give them quite enough time to set up fully, but I do okay though. All right, so that is the adorable little winter bird, and it comes with about maybe 5 different snowflakes. They're all actually the same style of snowflake, and I believe they're all the same size. But I just went ahead and cut out multiples because, again, the layout that I'm planning to do, there's going to be plenty of room. So you can just scatter them around wherever you would like. I think they're very sweet. And again, the colors, I'm just kind of making the colors, pulling them out from the colors I used here. So the light blue is the same as his hat, the red is the same as the berries, the white is the same, and then the green is the veining on the leaves is the same green. So very, very cute. And once I come up with my little project idea, I will probably do a quick video of that as well, so that you can see how I use this bird. So anyway, thank you again so much for sitting with me. I had fun doing this little guy. I think he's just so cute. Hopefully you enjoyed this as well. If you did, please click like. And if you want to become a subscriber, that would be wonderful. And then you can see all the videos that I have coming up. And in the meantime, you guys have an awesome day, and I'll catch you all again real soon. Bye-bye.